onderweg. Well, here I am in Australia. Just landed a helicopter, riding my 4-cylinder. What a dream. Yeah, I can get used to this easily. Here is the naked racer. There we are at the naked racer. Let's drive inside and have a talk, have a beer.
All right, welcome everybody. Johnny G, Naked Racer Motor Co. Today I want to introduce some new friends of mine. This is Bram and his father Jos. They're from the Netherlands and they've come here to buy a couple of beautiful 1939 4-cylinder Indians. And we just had a great experience. They've just been off on a chopper flight. They flew up to Yarrawonga to see a client and they just returned, and as a surprise we had the bikes ready running on the tarmac, and as they got out of the helicopters they just jumped on these bikes and rode away. So it's a pretty cool thing, you know, for father and son enjoying their beautiful new bikes. So Jos, how did you find, actually Bram, you found out that we had this 39 4-cylinder for sale. How did you do that?
Well, one day I was watching on YouTube and I saw a video of the Naked Racer with Johnny G with the 439. This one is missing from the collection, so yeah, I thought, I hope this one is for sale. So I go on the website and talk to Johnny, and it was for sale. So we had to come to Australia, and yeah, here we are, excited. Bought the bike, found another one, bought another one, taking them home with us. So yeah.
So we have
cool, isn't it?
We have a container outside, so these bikes are going to go into the container and off to the Netherlands. So pretty exciting. And yeah, it's been great to have the boys visit. We've had a great time. They've been here for a few days, mixing business with pleasure, and we certainly had a great time. So we're looking forward to going back to the Netherlands and catch up with them over there and go riding with them in the Netherlands.
Is dit de originele schakelaar? Die van men is een bakkelieten schakelaar. Dus bij de, dus denk ik, dit is de 1939 schakelaar.
Alleen in 1939 hadden ze een bakkelieten schakelaar.
Oké. En de tank, je hebt het gezien aan de binnenkant, is die nieuw of?
Het is een hele goede tank. Er zit een, volgens mij is de reproductietank op. De spatborden zijn origineel. En ja, kijk naar dit blokpaar. Hey. Als je dichtbij kijkt, hoe mooi dat die is.
Ja, mooi. Mooi, ja. Het is helemaal origineel, hè? Het ziet er goed uit, de originele spaken erin, de dikke spaken.
Matching numbers.
Laten
we eens naar die gaan kijken.
Ja. Zie je hier, dit zijn de roefrestalen spaken die erin zitten. Zie je dat? Dit is weer een
maar
allebei linksgas.
4-cilinder is mooi, ja. 4 in lijn.
Ja, dat is helemaal mooi. Ja.
2 mooie motors om aan de collectie toe te voegen.
Ja.
All right, Bram, show us how to start a 4-cylinder. Yeah. Just turn the key and kick it. There you go. Woohoo!
Cool, hè? Nice sound.
Well, they certainly start up very nicely. Good oil pressure, very important with the 4-cylinder. And let's watch Josh start this one. Yep. Yep, here we go. Woohoo! Look at them start right up. That's how good they are. Very nice.
They sound really nice, John.
They sound very crisp, don't they, huh?
Yeah, they do.
And the motors, no oil leaks, no smoke, just lovely. Very clean, nice running motorcycles.
Just how we like them.
Just how you like them, yep. Nice and original too. This is all original sheet metal, you know, Moto lamps, all the correct stuff, Corbin speedometer.
Yeah.
This is a fully optioned Corbin with the high-speed needle and the trip meter. You know, very, very nice. This one here isn't. It's just got the odometer, but they're both 130 mile an hour, which is the important thing. That's what they had, and you know, Chiefs only had 110. The 4-cylinder had 130 mile an hour speedo. That's the difference. Obviously, this bike came with a much more optioned up Corbin. Would have been probably an extra $5 or $10 in the day, which was a lot of money. And
it's good that they're all original Corbin
yes,
speedometers.
exactly. Yep, yep. And you can see this one here. The engine, it's a fresh restoration. It's beautiful and shiny and clean. You know, this one here, that was restored 20 years ago, and it's probably done about maybe 10,000 kilometres since it was restored. So you can see it has a little bit of patina, and so that's what this one will look like after it's done 10,000.
Yeah.
Well, these bikes are going to get crated any moment now, and we're going to put them in a shipping container over the road, and off they go to the Netherlands.
The container is ready, so...
Yeah.
Dan, je kunt zien dat de banden, zie je, hier zitten de dingen nog op. Dus die heeft volgens mij nog niet meer dan 5 mijl gelopen.
Als nieuw.
Als nieuw, ja. Als nieuw.
En de laatste model in 1939 met de Briggs Weaver open spatborden.
Ja, klopt. Ja. Alles origineel, mooi gepaint.
Mooie kleur.
Ja, het ding is ook... ja.
Mooie striping. Hierna gingen ze over zonder de striping, klopt
Ja,
dat?
met de dichte spatborden, dat klopt.
Ja. Echt
Ja.
nog een mooie motor.
Ja.
Blue chip investment,
Yes.
as they say. John, thank you for your great hospitality.
Oh,
it was a pleasure meeting you.
Yeah, it was a very pleasant meeting. Thank you,
good,
John.
Good,
Yes.
super.
We're definitely going to get some merchandise afterwards because
Yeah.
I've seen some great stuff inside.
Yeah, good.
And if you find some great bikes, call us, let us know, and we'll be back here
You
again.
bet. Oh, we certainly will.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks for coming.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. We've had a lot of fun today. Okay, guys.
Remember to like, follow, and share.